here I am with the backroom birds, and everybody has decided to take a bath in the water, the drinking water, even though they have a little bathtub, as you can see. First it was Spotty, then it was Allie, and now Smokey's over there sitting in the water. Budgies are famous for imitating what the other guy does. So, okay, now here comes Tiger. Is he going to try and take a bath too? It's so interesting. Okay, and if you see the one on the right there, that's kind of fluffing out, that's Spotty. He practically would drown himself in there, and they won't go in the blue bath, which is a real bath on the floor. Anyway, this is what is going on here. And here's Allie up here. Allie took a little bath. Now here we are, back to the tub. Aren't they fun? Well, they sure are to me. Okay, bye for now from the backroom birds. Uh-oh. I think Spotty's gonna go back. Uh-oh, let's see. I think he's going back. Let's give it, look at him. Isn't it funny? Oh well, I'm sure you're bored by now. Thanks. Oh wait, one more. Okay, that's it.